Good morning guys. May ibabalita lang ako sa inyo dahil talamak yung scam ngayon. May scam tayo. Mamaya papakita ko yung yung product. Hindi naman yung in-order ko. Na naman tayong magagawa hindi acceptance, ika nga. Ito anong gawin natin, wala naman tayong papala. Sayang lang yung galit mo, sayang lang yung ilaan mo na lang sa ibang bagay yung galit mo. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung yung product na na-scam tayo. Guys, ito na yung hindi naman ito yung order ko yun yung may scam ako. Hindi naman yung order ko pero dyan na yun diba? Set na natin. Anong magagawa
Alone inside the silence, with shadows that refuse to leave. A fragile life hides all the poison in a heart that this is your show, this is your time. Mamacita, it's showtime.
For Best Podcast. Barangay Loves Parties. Barangay LS Podcast. The Pool Pals. The Pool Pals and the Podcast.
Prepared for that.
That's first. Nominees for Best Podcast. Barangay Loves Parties. Barangay LS Podcast. The Pool Pals. The Pool Pals and the Podcast.
Prepared for that opening
That's first.
And
With Christian
first, it's mga nakinig. Don't say yung opening statement. Siyempre, meron ka.
The Bear and All Podcast with Danny Perez.
When you guys started?
Dear MOR, the podcast.
Unang tanong.
Dog Show Divas with Baus Tufo and McCoy Dogs.
Okay, ang unang tanong para sa
It is I, Bremen.
The Baddest Radio, Bretman Roth.
The Famous Broadcast Arts Awards 2026. The category Best Podcast. The Famous goes to... Growing out of experience pursuit of truth, its fight against the spread of fake news online media, and upholding responsibility, courage, and love for country. The winner is Facts First.
relatable humor, using comedy to advance advocacy are among the hosts' defining qualities, and this host especially, a comedic genius who continues to discover new ways to inspire and entertain. The best host for Entertainment Famous goes to Vice Ganda.
To receive her second FAMAS Award. Congratulations, Miss Vice Ganda.
Yehe, meron akong FAMAS for TV. Binigyan niyo ako ng FAMAS for movies, ganyan man FAMAS for broadcast. Maraming salamat. First nyo to at first ko rin to. Thank you so much for seeing me. Thank you so much for appreciating me, for validating my hard work, my purpose, my passion, my talent, my skills. Maraming salamat po. Again, this award I share with Ann Curtis, Bong Navarro, Jong Hilario, Ami Perez, Ogie Alcacid, Jugs, Teddy, Karel, Jackie, my husband Ayon, MC, Lassie, Sean, Darren, and my baby Ryan Bang. Sino pa ba? Ang mga bago namin kasama, sila Brent Manalo, sila Ralph, ang Showtime Baby Dolls. Maraming salamat po. Nakakatuwa. Pero bukod po dito, kasi kanina papunta ako rito, sabi ko, ano pa kayang mapapala ko pag pumunta ako dun sa event na yun? Bukod sa manonominate ako o baka manalo ako. Ang pinaka-takeaway ko ngayong gabing to, I am just so happy to be here because aside from this trophy, I was able to witness the excitement in the eyes of these children tonight. You guys inspire me. Kanina pa ako nakatingin dito sa mga batang to. Sabi ko, grabe yung mga mata nila, excited na excited sila. At sila yung pinakamasaya tonight. Sabi ko, I will still wanna be these children na hindi nawawala ang excitement. For 16 years, I have been performing in front of the camera para panoorin nyo sa noontime show. Araw-araw for 16 years. At minsan po talaga napapagod ako, nawawalan ako ng gana, naiirita ako, nasistress ako sa dami ng nangyayari sa paligid, sa loob at sa labas ng building at ng studio sa buong Pilipinas. Nakaka-stress din po, especially Showtime has been airing live for the past 16 years. Imagine yung 16 years na yun, minsan parang bilang pangkaraniwang tao lang. Minsan nakakawala talaga ng amats. Yung parang ang baba ng amats ko, parang ang baba ng trip ko, hindi ako ganado, parang hindi ko masyadong bet. Pero these children tonight reminded me na dapat ganyan. Dapat excited tayo para masaya tayo. Because when you lose the excitement, you lose the fun. When you lose the fun, you lose the joy. And thank you so much for inspiring me tonight. And aside from these children, nung nakita ko at inawardan nyo kanina si Miss Tina Loy, that gave me so much inspiration. Oh my God, hearing those stories, seeing her presence, feeling her energy tonight, and being able to witness her and hear her voice na sobrang crisp pa. Sabi ko nga kay Miss Corina, sabi ko, grabe, 19 years old na siya, ganyan pa kalinaw at kaganda yung boses niya. Maririnig mo yung conviction niya, maririnig mo yung disiplina sa lalamunan niya. 90 years old, di ba? It will require so much discipline para ma-preserve niya yung ganung boses. Di ba? Tas sabi ko, bukod sa tropeyong to, this event gave me so much inspiration, and I'm so looking forward to going back to the studio again tomorrow. Carrying this inspiration from the children and from Miss Tina Loy and this trophy. Maraming salamat po. At sana mabuhay ulit ng buhay ang telebisyon. At kasabay nito yung pagtatribe ng iba pang mga platforms katulad ng new media na binabanggit niyo, ang YouTube, ng Facebook at lahat ng mga content creators. Sana lahat tayong magtagumpay, mabuhay tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations. Again, congratulations talaga, Miss Vice. Ganda ang ating meme of all seasons. Thank you so much, Vice. That's her second FAMAS na. Grabe.
To every home in this nation. So, home to iconic and inclusive segments such as Tawag ng Tanghalan, Kaloka-like, and Miss Q-a-Day, this program has brought laughter, inspiration, and unforgettable moments to millions of Filipinos. It continues even to set till now the standard for noontime entertainment, evolving with the times, and that's important, while remaining a beloved source of joy for audiences nationwide. The best variety show FAMAS winner goes to... Showtime!
Congratulations, Showtime! Showtime, best variety show. Congratulations, Miss Vice. Ganda.
Maraming salamat po sa FAMAS. Congratulations sa It's Showtime. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga madlang people na patuloy na nanonood ng programa po namin araw-araw. I would like to congratulate the whole team, the entire Showtime family, the ABS-CBN management, GMA7. Maraming salamat po sa pagpapatuloy sa amin sa inyong bahay para magkaroon kami ng tahanan. Sa panahon ngayon kasi napakahirap na pong mag-mount ng programa dahil ang dami ng iba't ibang pinanonood ng mga tao sa iba't ibang plataforma. Pero ang Showtime po ay nananatiling isa sa mga paborito ng madlang people. Kaya maraming salamat. Showtime still continues to thrive kahit napakaraming mga challenges na pinagdaanan ng programang to. Alam ko, lalo na yung mga solid Showtimers na nandito, alam nyo kung anong pinagdadaanan ng programa namin ever since. Pero dahil sa pagpapala ng Panginoon, sa tulong ng napakarami, sa suporta ng napakaraming tao at sa pagpupursige ng lahat ng mga taong nasa likod ng programang ito, ang aming direktor, ang lahat ng aming mga writers, ang aking mga co-hosts, patuloy kaming nakabibigyan ng oportunidad para makapagpasaya ng madlang people. And these days, it's really very hard to entertain a society of highly opinionated and highly entitled people. Mga taong laging ang daming sasabihin sa ginagawa mo, sa programa nyo, sa content nyo, sa segment ninyo na parang wala kayong ginagawang tama. Gayunpaman, hindi sumusuko yung lahat ng tao na bumubuo ng programa namin. Kaya natutuwa ako na hanggang ngayon, pinipili nyo pong panoorin ng It's Showtime. And again, thank you very much to the madlang people for making It's Showtime the most relevant noontime show now. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, FAMAS. Happy birthday, Yorme! Nice to see you again. I love you. We miss you here in Showtime. Mag-iingat ka lagi. At magpapayat ko na ng konti. Love you. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Thank you po.
Thank you.